How's it going, everybody? In today's video, we will be working on this irrigation end cap and doing a little bit of aluminum welding on it to hopefully make it go from this to this. Our grass hay is irrigated with aluminum hand line, and when it comes time to cut the hay, we have to pull all of those hand lines off the field so the swather can go through and cut all the hay. Now when we do this, sometimes an end cap will wiggle loose and fall into the field. Then when the swather comes through, it can chew up any material that's potentially been left out in the field. Now this doesn't happen too often, but when we are pulling the hand lines off the field, at that point the grass is generally quite tall, so it's really hard to find anything that is laying out there. And my goal for today is to practice a little bit of aluminum welding to repair this end cap so we can put it back into service. This is the result of spending a little time cleaning up the area that will be welded up. There is a little crack in here. You probably won't be able to see it on camera, but on the inside there is a crack. I finished up the welding, and this is how the part looks. As you can see, I got too hot at this location, which resulted in a large bulge on the side. So the next step is to throw a flap disc on the grinder, and I'll knock this down and then see where I'm at after that. After going over this with the grinder, we're looking really good, but I am going to come back and add a little more weld in a few of the thin locations. But overall, it's really starting to take shape, and I think with just a little bit more welding, the part will be done. I just finished up doing some additional welding and then regrinding everything down, and I'm really happy with the result. This is how it looks.